Hello, Ria. Welcome to our audience ask segment. And here are my few quick questions for you. My first one, a message for all women designers out there.
The key to success is to be yourself. Don't be afraid and advance the woman around you, and you will all end up ahead. So just celebrate another woman.
Super. That's a very beautiful message. My next one, what are the strengths do you think that are very important for any designer?
User empathy, problem solving, creativity, and ability to collaborate effectively.
Super. My next one, who has been your constant source of motivation?
Curiosity and exploration.
Wow, that is an interesting take. My next one, a book that you would advise every young designer to read.
The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman, which is, I think, it's a classic one, and everyone who gets into design, especially UX, this book's actually talks about how and why some products satisfy customer while others only frustrate them. So definitely worth reading.
Super. And my last one, a woman leader that inspires you.
All the women in my life, my in my family, and all the bosses, women leaders which I had, which definitely motivated me, because I could relate to their journey. I can feel the challenges they might have faced during their career. So all the women leaders which I worked along with.
Super. Thank you, Ria, for doing this with us.
Thank you so much, Rohit. It was nice chatting with you.